friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nisha, and if you are here to watch a Malayalam video, I'm really sorry because I'm doing this video in English. The reason is that many of my friends say that they are not able to follow my videos because they don't understand the language, and I thought that I will do a video in English so that they can also watch. And since it is Valentine's Day, and whenever I think about love or Valentine's Day, what I imagine is the color red. Red is something which I really love for lipsticks, and many people like red lipstick. If you are a beginner and you are planning to buy a red lipstick, then you can always benefit from this video. So let's move into the video. My first shade is a lip liner. This is actually a very good product in a budget friendly range. This is Nykaa's Lips Don't Lie Waterproof Line and Fill Lip Liner. This is in the shade 09. Head over heels. This is a beautiful orangey red, and it gives a very good base for our lipstick to glide on, and it holds the lipstick for a long time, as well as it is a very good color to apply on its own as well. So I love this product. It is very long lasting and very comfortable to wear. My next option is from Swiss Beauty. This is the non-transfer waterproof lipstick in the shade Blood Red. Unlike the name, this is not a blood red. This is a orangish red, which is very beautiful, high in on pigmentation, matte in finish, very comfortable, long staying, and almost transfer proof. And I love this lipstick, and I think this is very much in demand. I can see it out of stock on most of the platforms, and I love this lipstick. This is my recent purchase, and I really love and enjoy wearing it. My next lipstick is from Nykaa's Ultra Matte range, and this is the shade 16 Madhu. This is a beautiful orangish red. It has a hint of brown also, so it is very forgiving, and people with yellow undertones can pull it off very nicely, and it is a long lasting lipstick. It is not transfer proof, but it is very long lasting and comfortable, and it is a complete matte finish lipstick, and this is available in the mini version also, so you can always buy the mini version and try out the shades. And this is the next option which I have. The next one is from Lakme. This is their limited edition lipstick. I think this is a festival edition, and it is in the shade Dazzling Red. I'm not very fond of the finish of this lipstick because it is not matte in finish. It gives a satiny finish, but I prefer my lipsticks, especially the red lipsticks, to be matte in finish. But it is a very comfortable formula, and it is very affordable, and people who like wearing non-matte lipsticks can try them out. It is not at all transfer proof, and it smudges very badly because it is not matte in finish, but however you can try this range because it has very beautiful reds in it. Next one is one of my most favorite reds from this collection. This is from the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipsticks. It is very long lasting and transfer proof. It is little bit drying, but I don't mind that because the shade is so beautiful. It is one of the unique shades of red which I have. This is a pinkish brownish red which I don't see in other brands, and I love this lipstick, and this is one of my recent purchases. And this is the shade Behind the Bleachers. I have never heard of this lipstick before until I watched it in a YouTuber's video, and I love this lipstick, and this is a very unique shade which you can have in your collection. Next one is a very famous lipstick. This is from the Faces Ultime Pro Matte Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Midnight Rose, which is a very popular shade. This is a deep red, almost like a maroon shade, and it is suitable for all skin tones. It is suitable for any occasion. You can even wear it to office because this is a very muted red. It is not at all harsh on the face kind of red, and I love this lipstick. This is my second purchase because I gifted my first purchase to somebody, and I wanted it again in my collection, so I went out and bought it. It is not transfer proof, it is not smudge proof, it is long lasting and very comfortable and matte in finish. Next is a brown based red. This is from Chambor Transferproof liquid lipstick. It is a very long lasting formula. This is in the shade 432 Red Hot. It is a brown based red, so if you are scared of wearing a pure red lipstick, then you can try something like that. It is very appropriate for any occasion, especially for the Indian kind of outfits. It goes very well with them, and it is a very good lipstick for a long wearing lipstick, and it is a very matte finished lipstick which is very comfortable to wear. My next option is from MAC. This is a free gift with purchase kind of lipstick, and it is in the shade Work, and it is in their Powder Kiss formula. It is not highly pigmented, it is matte in finish, very comfortable. It has a very unique kind of feel because it is feathery, lightweight, and it is very comfortable, very long lasting. But the problem is the pigmentation. You can always build it up, and if you're not comfortable to wear a red lipstick, again you can try this shade because it is a very muted kind of red, a coral red we can say, and it is very comfortable and long lasting. However, it is not a transfer proof lipstick. Next one is a beautiful deep red color. It's a cool toned red from Sugar Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in the shade Cherry Darling. It is a beautiful shade, and I love this formula. It is not transfer proof. It is very long lasting and a comfortable matte. However, it is not a unique shade, but I love this because of the color it has, and it is highly pigmented, and I will suggest each one of you to try this lipstick because you will definitely love it. Next is from Belora Paris. This is in their liquid lipstick Leave No Evidence liquid lipstick in the shade French Red. It is a very beautiful deep red color, but I think that it has a tint of brown in it. I expected it to be a maroon shade, but it is more of a red shade, and I love this lipstick because it is very long lasting, transfer proof, very comfortable, matte finish, and everything good you can get in a lipstick. It is a very high quality lipstick and a very classic looking shade. So if you want to try out something like this, definitely try this because it's a very good lipstick. In every department, I will give it 10 on 10. Next one is from Nykaa Matte-To-Last liquid lipstick in the shade Maharani. This is a beautiful deep red shade. It is almost a blood red color. It is very comfortable, very pigmented, long lasting and smudge proof, and I love this lipstick. However, it takes a little bit of more time to get dried. That is the only drawback on this range, but however it is a very beautiful shade, and it is somewhat similar to the Sugar Lip Crayon which I showed before, but I love this lipstick for the kind of feel it gives because it really feels lightweight. That is the plus point of this range. Also, this shade is said as a dupe for MAC's Dance With Me liquid lip color. If if you like deep red shades, then you can definitely try this shade from MAC Matte Lipstick collection. This is in the shade Diva, which is a beautiful wine shade, and it is a very comfortable matte. It is long lasting, however it is not transfer proof, and it is one of their most popular shades, and it is a universally flattering shade. It is very good for any occasion, even to office you can easily wear it. And this is a lipstick that you should definitely try if you like shades of this kind. And you can always find dupes of this lipstick in many other brands as well. Please watch my dupe in this video for this lipstick. The dupe which I was talking about is from Maybelline. This is their very popular shade Divine Wine from the Creamy Matte collection. This is Diva on the left side, and the right side is Divine Wine, which you can see as a very close dupe for this shade. I cannot end this video without showing MAC's Ruby Woo, which is from where my love for red lipstick started. It is in their Retro Matte range, which is a little bit drying formula. However, this is a very classic red, which is a neutral red in my opinion, but MAC says that it is a blue toned red. It is a universally accepted classic red shade, which is suitable for a lot of skin tones. In fact, all the skin tones, we can say. It is a classic red color which makes our teeth look whiter, and it is a beautiful shade. It makes our face look brighter, and whenever I am in doubt, I always go for this lipstick. And this is my second purchase, and you can see how much I love this lipstick. I have a very affordable dupe for this shade. This is from Blue Heaven. This is their splash lip color in the shade Ruby Red. Even the names are similar and the shades are very close to each other. But the Blue Heaven lipstick is more creamier than MAC's Ruby Woo, which makes it a little bit better in my opinion. However, Ruby Woo has its own place in my heart. So you can see the swatches and you can see how similar the shades are. So that's the end of this video, and I hope that you liked all the shades that I showed. These are all flattering to every skin tone, and even if you are fair skin tone, dusky, medium, deep, you can pull off any of these shades. That is the best thing about red lipsticks, and red lipsticks make our teeth look white also. So if you are looking for a red lipstick, I hope that you got your shade from this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. So till I come up with my next video, take care and bye bye.